Hi riders! If you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycle news, action and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club.
Kawasaki has spiced up the Z900 mix with a new SE model, which adds upgraded brakes and suspension. The Z900 SE's styling draws from Kawasaki's Tsugomi design concept, which makes the bike look in motion even when standing still. It has aggressive angular detailing, an exposed subframe, and a sharply contoured belly pan. For those who prefer more classic styling, check out the 2022 Kawasaki Z900 RS SE. At the heart of the Z900 SE is the liquid-cooled 948cc inline-4, which made 113 horsepower at 9,800 revolutions per minute, and 66 pounds-to-foot of torque, at 8,100 revolutions per minute at the rear wheel, in our 2020 test. As we reported at the time, this lightweight and compact engine spools up quickly, and delivers solid and smooth performance when pushed, but is versatile enough to be ridden in traffic with ease. Standard electronics include power modes, traction control, and integrated riding modes, Sport, Road, Rain, and Rider. The Z900 SE's upgraded suspension includes a fully adjustable 41mm inverted fork, and a fully adjustable Öhlins S46 rear shock, with a remote preload adjuster. The new setup promises improved customization and handling. The SE version also benefits from a new radial monoblock Brembo M4.324 piston, front caliper squeezing 300mm pedal discs, and Nissin radial pump master cylinder. At the rear, there is a 250mm pedal disc with 2-piston caliper. ABS and steel-braided brake lines are standard. The Z900 SE's cast aluminum, 5-spoke wheels are fitted with Dunlop Sportmax Road Sport 2 tires. Although the turn signals are still the old bulb type, all the other lights on the Z900 SE are LEDs. A large 4.3-inch color TFT dash with a selectable background color, black or white, and screen brightness automatically switches between 3 rider set levels to suit available light. Bluetooth connectivity is compatible with smartphone devices in Kawasaki's Rideology app. A full range of Kawasaki genuine accessories are available, and options for the Z900 SE include crankcase protectors, a meter cover, and an Akrapovic slip-on exhaust. The 2022 Kawasaki Z900 SE is available in metallic spark black and candy lime green, with an MSRP of $10,699.